to cooking in English. English, cooking in English. Not just cooking, but cooking in English. Cocinando en inglés. Cocinando en inglés. Cooking in English. Cooking in English. Ba, ba, da, ba. Welcome. Bienvenidos. Welcome to Cooking in English. Well, first thing we should do before we start cooking is do the vocabulary. So we will start with nouns, sustantivos. Cup, taza. Pancake mix, mezcla de pancakes. Almond milk, leche de almendras. Ingredients, ingredientes. Frying pan, sartén. Teaspoon, cucharilla. Oil, aceite. Batter, masa. Plate, plato. Margarine, margarina. Syrup, jarabe. Electric stove, estufa eléctrica. Next, we will do verbs or verbos. To add, agregar. To mix, mezclar. To heat, calentar. To pour, verter. To fry, fritar. To flip, voltear. To serve, servir. To enjoy, disfrutar. To cook, cocinar. To eat, comer. Okay, so we have our vocabulary. Now I will go through the steps on how we will cook the pancakes. Number 1, add 2 cups of pancake mix to a bowl. 2, add 1 cup of almond milk. 3, mix ingredients. 4, heat a frying pan to medium-high. 5, add 1 teaspoon of oil to the frying pan. 6, pour pancake batter into the pan. 7, fry for about 2 minutes. 8, flip the pancake. 9. Fry for about 2 more minutes. 10. Serve on a plate with margarine and syrup. 11. Enjoy. Okay, now for the fun part. We get to cook. So we will look at our steps. Number 1, add 2 cups of pancake mix to a bowl. 1. 2. Add 1 cup of almond milk. 3. Mix ingredients. Heat a frying pan to medium-high. Add 1 teaspoon of oil to the frying pan. Pour pancake batter into the pan. Fry for about 2 minutes. Suki, suki, suki. Flip the pancake. Fry for 2 more minutes. Serve on a plate with margarine and syrup. Enjoy.